In this video, we are going to see how we can enter all the traveling expenses that is paid by either check or bank in Odoo. So we have the transaction of 12th of January, which is traveling expenses paid by check of Bank of America, and the amount is 5,000. Now, in most of the softwares, it doesn't allow you to enter a journal entry that is cash based or bank based. But in Odoo, we have a lot of flexibility. So I'm already in the accounting application. Otherwise, you can just go back and from the home menu, just go to the accounting application. And from here, just click on accounting and click on journal entries. Click on new journal entry. And under the reference, I'll just copy this and paste it in the reference. Accounting date is 12th of January. And it's already set to miscellaneous operation, and that's fine. Traveling expenses, I'll just write here traveling. If we don't find a suitable ledger for it, we will just click on create, and otherwise we can just discard this. If you want to see a suitable area for this, click on this menu and click on search more. And from here, we just head over to the expenses section, which is under 6 category. So let's say I want to create a new ledger on 613 because 613 is free in this list. We only have 612 and then we have 62 something. So let's click on new 613,000 and it's traveling expenses. All set. Click on save. In the label, we can copy the same narration. Debit amount is 5,000. While in the credit, we can just directly credit Bank of America. Here it is. In the label, I'll just paste the same. And here we have the transaction completed. Make sure the date and everything is fine. Now, Odoo follows the date sequence as month first, then date, then year. So click on post and it will be shown as posted. So this is how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.